Today we're going to be taking a look at one of the best and most hyped Jordan releases of 2021. What up everybody, thank you so much for clicking on the video. Thanks for stopping by the channel. If you're new here, we talk a lot about sneakers, so if you're into that, consider subscribing down below. Alright everybody, we have a sneaker to review in hand, and that is the Jordan 1 Hyper Royal. These shoes retailed for about $170 USD or $230 Canadian. I feel extremely lucky and blessed to have won my pair from the livestock raffle. Getting into the shoe, they are of course presented in that standard black and red Nike box. Starting from the outsole this time, this shoe features your standard Jordan 1 outsole in a light gray tone, which you could see this gray is also used all around different parts of the sneaker. At the collar, but this time in a nice smooth nubuck. The perforated inner lining. And finally the swoosh, which I would say utilizes almost in between suede and nubuck finish, but more towards a nubuck, which features a almost ever so subtle tumble to it. We get a white midsole along with the mid panels and toe box also in white, made up of a nice tumbled leather. The leather quality here is good. Not, super great, but I definitely would think the University Blue ones have a better quality leather to them. In my opinion, it does make sense for the Hyper Royals to have this sort of leather quality compared to the University Blue ones, which is very buttery, just because of, the materials used on the uppers. I mean, of course, there would be nothing wrong with it. It could elevate the sneaker, but if they were to use that, tumbled buttery leather, my question is, would the design flow as well aesthetically? Moving towards the tongue, we get a classic nylon material in white, which also features the Nike Air tag in a Hyper Royal with white lettering. The shoe comes with two sets of laces, a white and an extra pair of Hyper Royal laces, which interests me on why they decided to call this shoe Hyper Royal, since the only parts of the Hyper Royal is used on the tongue, stitching, and of course the extra set of laces. The Wings logo is embossed with the letters utilizing the same material for the uppers. The insole is in white that has a Nike Air in the Hyper Royal color at the heel. And to put this whole shoe together, it features light blue uppers finished in a hairy suede that is slightly distressed, almost like a light blue denim. My initial thoughts and concerns was if the uppers were going to be, a little bit rough, but surprisingly the material is finished off nicely and smooth to touch. Overall, I absolutely adore the sneaker and would put it in my top 5 for releases in 2021 so far. Now, this shoe does get compared to the University Blue ones a lot because of its similarity being a blue sneaker and the release dates being right next to each other. But I do feel it's very hard to compare since they are very different sneakers with, different materials. I took a small poll on my Instagram and it seems a lot more people favor the University Blue. I could also see why this is, because even though, both sneakers are very bright and blue, the University Blues have that black swoosh, which is definitely more versatile. If you are curious and want another opinion, I definitely would recommend watching Josh Dominic's video comparing the two. He breaks it down pretty well, talking about, price, quality, and just the overall look of the sneaker and popularity. Either way, both sneakers are up there in my eyes. And if you do get a chance to cop, you won't be disappointed. In the comments below, let me know what you think about the Jordan 1 Hyper Royals. Did you get a chance to cop the sneaker? Are you looking to purchase the sneaker once, other retailers drop? Give me your overall thoughts and opinions about the sneaker down below. Also, it'd be great to know what you guys think about both of the sneakers. Which one are you choosing for the summer? Are you choosing both or either one? Let me know in the comments below. If I did provide you with some sort of value, I appreciate you hitting the like button down below. It does really help me out in the YouTube algorithm, helps reach out to more people in the YouTube space to continue building this community. And if you haven't already, join the community and hit the subscribe button along with the bell icon to be notified every time I put a video out like this. Hopefully you guys get a chance to purchase the sneakers, especially copying for retail. But there's a lot more sneakers on the way. And like I said, I want to put a lot more videos out for you guys. Thank you so much for supporting. Hope you guys are doing well. Hope you're staying safe. I'll see you soon.